what time it is?
It's time for the weekly update!
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of January 14th, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. This Monday, January 17th, is Martin Luther King Day. There is no school. Literacy Week at the elementary campus is January 24th till to the 28th. Our elementary virtual FSA night is February 10th at 4:30 p.m. and our secondary FSA night is February 16th at 5:30 p.m. Both will be on Google Meets. I will send out the link to attend on Google Meets as the date gets closer. Save the date for our next Atlantis Gateway Night, Thursday, February 10th at 6 o'clock p.m. Monday, February 21st is a teacher workday, no school for students. Spring break is March 12th through March 21st. School resumes for students on March 22nd. Here's a message from our administration.
Hello, parents. This is Cap. I want to welcome all of you back to school. Just a couple of things that I wanted to share with you. Number one is we have new staff members on board, and I would like to take this opportunity to introduce them. We have a new assistant principal to our secondary campus. His name is Mr. A, and I'm going to turn it over to him now for him to say a few words. Mr. A?
Hello, PBMA family. My name is Mr. A. I'm excited to be here, excited and get to work with the students. Just want to give a couple of little reminders. Make sure they're getting on IXL every chance they get. And we also are in crunch time. FSA is coming up. So just wanted to throw that out there. My email address is falilima@pbmalantana.org. And if you have any questions anytime, just feel free to go ahead and shoot me an email.
Thank you, Mr. A. And at this time, I would also like to introduce another new staff member, our new single school culture coordinator, Mrs. Mason, and she will come over and say a few things.
Hello, PBMA. I am Ms. Mason. I am the new single school culture coordinator here, and I am so excited to join this awesome faculty and staff as well as the students. I look forward to working with you all. If you ever need to contact me, my email address is cmason@pbmalantana.org. Have a great one.
Again, parents, thank you so much for your support. If there's anything that you need, feel free to call us at any time, and let's have a great year.
Miss Trish taught 5th grade about electricity. Let's take a look.
This is called a Tesla coil. You guys might remember I shared this with you briefly last year. Now, the coil is in here. You see, if we didn't have this coil, it would be shooting all around the room at all of us trying to join with our electricity. Would you? There you go. So you can see it hitting at the bottom, trying to get away from the coil. If I touch, and yes, it burns, and you'll smell it in a second, but that will get directed. It wants to go somewhere. If I give it somewhere to go, where it's contained, then it lets that electricity work. It goes right through the light bulbs, and it quiets it, it controls it. If I let the light bulb out, uncontrolled.
Let's see what's happening in high school English.
Hi, I'm Miss Maloney. I teach 12th grade English, journalism, and creative writing. This year in creative writing, they are working on memoirs. In journalism, we are talking about ethics and morals of a good journalist. And in 12th grade, I have a couple students with me that are going to tell you what's going on in the classroom.
I'm Tyrese. I'm in 12th grade in English class. We are reading The Crucible. It's a play based off the Salem witch trials. I'm reading the part of Mr. Paris in Act 1.
Hi, I'm a student at PBMA. My name is Raphael. We're soon gonna have a field trip to Palm Beach State College, so we can see what's the college life is like, you know, what the campus is like, how the professors are, and basically see what our next step in our education is gonna be like. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Louisa. I'm also a senior. And when we got back from winter break, we had a team building activity where we only could use uncooked spaghetti and marshmallows and to see who could build the biggest tower. My team did not win, but it was a fun experience.
Okay, my name is Michael Knowles. I'm in 12th grade, and I'll just be talking about my experience coming in the classroom. Miss Maloney always has a smile on her face. She's a lovely teacher, and she always has everything prepared for us. She's helped us in the most important ways that we need, and yeah.
Please be on time for school. Breakfast at the elementary campus closes at 8:05 a.m. and instruction begins immediately afterwards. Breakfast at the secondary campus ends at 8:55 and instruction begins right after announcements. We will have a very special end-of-the-year trip for grades 3 through grade 5 for exemplary students. To attend the trip, students need to have 0 tardies, no unexcused absences, no missing assignments, or disciplinary issues. Sounds like a great trip. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.